Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Binance for beginners. Let's get started. First, open the trade platform on your computer or your Binance mobile app and click on Spot. Here, you will see the cryptocurrency pair that is currently being traded. For example, Bitcoin and USDT. The coin on the left, Bitcoin, is the main coin being traded, and you can either buy it with the coin on the right, USDT, or sell it to get USDT. If you buy on this page, you'll be buying Bitcoin using USDT. If you sell, you'll be selling Bitcoin for USDT. If you change the pair to a different one, you'll see the new pair displayed. Next, you'll see the current price of the coin on the left against the coin on the right, along with the 24-hour price change. For instance, if Bitcoin has fallen by this amount of USDT in the last 24 hours, you'll also see the highest and lowest prices Bitcoin has reached in the last 24 hours. This information helps you understand how the coin has performed recently. If you want to buy Bitcoin, knowing the highest and lowest prices gives you an idea of whether it's expensive or cheap at the moment. On the right side, you have the order book. The numbers in red show the sell orders and the prices people want to sell for, while the green numbers show the buy orders and the prices people are willing to pay. The price chart shows how the coin's price has moved over time. Analyzing the chart can help you predict future price movements, but if you're a beginner, focus on simpler trading strategies for now. To find a specific coin or pair, use the search bar. Type the coin's name, and all related pairs will appear. If there are many pairs, type the first coin, add a space, then type the second coin to narrow down your search. Click on the desired pair to trade. On the left, you can see the trades currently happening. These numbers differ from market orders as they represent trades that have already occurred. The market activity section shows significant events like large buys or sells, all-time lows or highs, etc. The actual buying and selling of crypto happens in the bottom section. The green side is for buying, and the red side is for selling. The default way to buy crypto on Binance is with a limit order. Set the price you want to buy at and the amount you want to buy, and the crypto will automatically purchase when that price is reached. Make sure the price you're setting is reasonable compared to the current price. Enter the amount you want to buy using the slider or type it in. Then click Buy. If you want to buy instantly at the current market price, select Market. Enter the amount you want to spend and click Buy. A market order buys your coin at the average current market price. Your open orders will appear at the bottom of the page. Once a limit order is fulfilled, it will disappear from the open orders and can be found under Order History or Trade History. You can view your orders and transactions for different time periods: 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or customize the date range. After buying your crypto, wait for it to make a profit, then sell it. To sell, go to the Sell section, enter the amount you want to sell and the price you want to sell it for, and click Sell. Ensure the selling price is higher than the purchase price to make a profit. That's how you do spot trading on the Binance platform. If you would like to learn more about crypto trading, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. God bless your hustle.